Good morning, class 4. I'm Shaila Goel, your English teacher. Today we are going to do the exercise of simple present tense. In the first exercise, we have to identify the verbs as well as tell the tense of these sentences which are given. The first sentence is the clever fox thought of a plan. So here the verb done is thought. So our verb is thought and the tense is past tense. Now students, the second sentence is we shall go to the SL world next month. Now here the verb is the action verb, that is go, shall go, and the tense is future tense. The use of will or shall tells us that this is a future tense. I go to bed early at night. So the verb is go and the tense is present tense. This is the regular routine work. Okay. She jumped off the bed and ran outside. Here we have two verbs, jumped and ran. So the girl is doing two actions, jumping and running, and the tense is past tense. Tomorrow my uncle will pick me up from school. The verb is will pick and the tense is future tense. Now students, the next question is my sister wraps all the gifts. The verb is wraps, and what is the meaning of wraps? It is किसी को cover करना. Okay, the covering of the gift with the paper is known as wraps and the tense is present tense. They will certainly help you. Now here students, we have to be very clear that certainly is not a verb. Certainly is adverb which tells us about verb. Okay, and we will explain to you in the next chapter of adverb. So remember this, that here the verb is will help and the tense is future tense. Our team bagged 4 prizes. The verb is bagged and the tense is past tense. He chats on the internet the whole day. Now the verb is chats and tense is present tense. Chats means talking. The patient groaned in the morning. The verb is groaned and the tense is past tense. Now students, we are coming to exercise 2, filling the blanks with right forms of verbs in simple present tense. Here you have to remember students that if the subject is I or you, that means first person pronoun and second person pronoun, then we will use root form of the verb, and if the subject is plural, then also we use root form of the verb. But if the subject is singular or the third form of the pronoun or the third person pronoun, that is he, she, it, then we use verb plus s. Now keeping all this in mind, we will start our exercise. The first question is she dash for a walk after dinner. Answer is goes, because she is the third person pronoun and it is singular also, so goes. Next is students dash quiet when the teacher explains a chapter. Now students is plural, so we will use keep. Birds dash eggs in their nest. Lay. The answer is also lay because birds is plural. The clock dash time. Show. Now the clock is singular, so we will use shows. I dash my hands with a soap. Now I is a first person pronoun and it use the root form, so it will take wash. I wash my hands with a soap. A porter dash our luggage at a railway station. A porter carries our luggage because porter is singular and it will take verb plus s or es, right? Now next is spider dash webs. Now spiders is plural, So it will take spin, root form of the verb. The cool breeze dash softly. The cool breeze is will take blows. Okay, it is uncountable, and uncountable is considered to be singular. Now students, coming to third exercise, we have to complete this passage about kangaroos. Now let's see. The kangaroo lives in Australia because kangaroo is the category and it is taken as singular. So lives will come. It is very tall. Its front legs, see, legs are plural. So the be form in the present tense we will use are. Very short. It uses them to hold things. It makes long leaves by its legs. Its tail is singular. So the which form of be will come? Is. Okay. Its tail is long, thick and strong. Mother kangaroo keeps its baby in a pocket on its belly. It likes to eat grass and leaves. It does not eat meat. Now it is a singular form and we use does with a singular subject as we have done in negative sentences. We will explain it in the next part more. I hope students you have learned this. Happy learning, students.